Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Ashita if you're new here. I just started learning React Native and I've been documenting the journey. The end goal is to learn React Native and build a simple app. And I felt that, this app that I'm trying to build, I'm taking a lot of time. I'm really dragging it out for weeks and weeks. And I don't want to do that. I just want to be done with it. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna code our first app with React Native. Good morning, guys. I look like such a good soldier. Let's get coding. First of all, I just woke up, if that's what you're wondering. We're gonna start working on our React Native app. Doing changes in code is way more difficult than just doing your changes on Figma. So we're just gonna use it for design purpose and then we're gonna code that app in VS Code. Okay loves, we are starting by designing our app Joro, short for journal and routine in Figma. It is a student productivity planner. The main dashboard pulls in upcoming deadlines, exams, and your daily timetable in one glance. Then we've got a structured assignment screen where you can log tasks by subject, an exam tracker with a clear calendar view, and of course a timetable screen to keep your schedule crystal clear. We're building this to make students' lives more productive and stress-free. I'm at my door, waiting for my Swiggy order. I showered, I got dressed, and I also ordered a coffee from Starbucks. I came! Oh, okay. He just popped out his head. It's here. Thank you.
Excuse me, what the actual
The goods are secured! Oh, I'm so happy. I'm just reading the React docs and taking down notes with it. Before I start coding, I'm just gonna have a conversation with ChatGPT. I'm just gonna give ChatGPT an overview of what I'm thinking I should code, how I should code it, and that just gives me a better understanding of my project rather than just directly jumping into the code. If you're also a coder and you're discussing with ChatGPT, try to use the microphone because something that I've seen that when you're just talking, ChatGPT tends to understand you better. Hi, let's have a discussion and I'm gonna give you an overview of how I'm thinking to code this entire project. The overview part where we are going to show the upcoming assignments, exams, and schedule. I think we should use scroll view for that because it would be the most recent assignments that you really need to submit. And then for the individual sections, assignments, exams, and timetable. For the assignment section, I think we can use flat list. The overview section for which I was saying that we can use scroll view. I also read about the section list tag. We can change it to section list tag as well by using assignments, exams, and today's schedule as the section headers. So let me know from scroll view and to section list which one is a better choice. That's all that I've thought till now. What do you think about it? It's saying that for the summary, I should not use scroll view. I should go with section list. Okay, so we can do the overview / dashboard with section list. And for the assignments part, we can stick with the flat list. But for the exam and the timetable part, I was thinking we show the schedule through calendar. Because usually when kids do get their schedules for exam and the timetable, it is usually in a PDF form, but it's also this day, this time. So I think a calendar view would be more visually pleasing. So like, can you tell me, is this calendar view that you're talking about, is it another separate tag in React Native? Or I was thinking like we can also like make this into a table, like with rows and columns. That's usually the basic format of a calendar, of a timetable, of exam schedule. Do we have separate tags for that, or does that also come inside a list only? Or is it like just related to CSS, the table making? So after chatting with ChatGPT about setting up my screens in React Native, I jumped onto the initial coding setup. Now here's the funny part. I literally copy-pasted code straight from the React Native docs just to test it out. And there were errors. Like, hello, why? Something was not compatible with the environment, and every time I fixed one bug, another one popped up. So I deleted this folder and I rebuilt the app. Here is the final version of Joro. Honestly, I had such big dreams for this app. 4 screens, all neat and polished, but coding in React Native, oh my god, it's not impossible, but it's so long, so exhausting. Instead, I kept it simple with like just 2 screens, and I'm gonna give you like the bare minimum of everything. First, an exam schedule in a clean calendar view where you can drop in your deadlines and events and exams. Second is an assignment tracker, kind of like the iPhone Notes app. The full project's on GitHub if you want to check it out. And yeah, thanks for watching, loves. I will see you soon.